Hi guys, in this video we will talk about humming or buzzing noise from AC breaker and outdoor unit. As we see, there is a humming coming from the breaker, at the same time coming from the outdoor unit. The main reason of that is the capacitor. So the first thing we're looking at is the capacitor reading. So we will unplug the old capacitor. First we should disconnect the power, and we unplug the wires from the old capacitors, and we're using the voltmeter to check the capacity. In this capacitor we see like the capacity is like 4 to 7, which is very low. It should be around 45. So we plug the new one to the unit. Most of the time the yellow wire goes to the herb. The purple and red will go to the common side of the capacitor, and the last wire will be the brown one, goes to the fan. Now we'll try it. We're gonna plug the power back and the system will start working properly. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks a lot.